Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes.
I haven't used this camera in like 6 months. Say hi, vlog.
Hey y'all.
It's her birthday.
It's C-Day. Okay, it's C-Day. C-Day.
Let's get it, yeah. This necklace is annoying. I'm not even doing nothing, it keeps turning around. Like, what's your problem?
Turn it around.
Sleep, body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all
I gotta work.
know it's all
Thank you. Thank you, man.
We are here at Margaritaville Day Spa. It is so freaking hot, but it's a nice day. We are here. There you go. I just had to film my campaign. I just had to film my promo for KLE. So that's what I just finished. But I only did half. I only did the yellow and the orange. I'm gonna do the pink and the not the pink, the green and the blue later. Out here. A headband.
I know my legs will start. Bro, when I fell on the rocks, bro, everything enough for me.
You fell on the rocks?
Yeah. So here we have 2 sets of lockers. In each locker we have a roll and zipper cloth. And around here we have another. Here I call it a little maze. And this is the restroom. We have toiletry out. Here are the showers. You have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here's a liquid mess. So the top is here. In Blue Haven would have had the same room, but it's down, just went down. Like, oh, so right now. To turn on the jets, and today we close at 6, okay?
Oh yeah, we're gonna go right after we're done. So I gotta go in.
Before,
I gotta go in now. How hot is it?
Like 100 and something? Yeah.
Oh shoot, there's people in.
Huh? Yeah. And one more spot.
One more.
It's quiet, I guess. We don't want to hear it. So in here is a quiet room. This is where you wait for your therapist to come and get you. You have snacks and stuff out. Hey, I have a question. When we're doing your service, you guys take a couple hours to use it.
Like a freaking mummy.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
So she was at yours before. Yeah. Got it.
Not a spa experience.
Yeah, I just found her.
The showers.
Come on, girls. We're coming. Oh, ladies. Ladies, we're taking you around.
Cute, cute.
Use that for you.
Well, this is the original camera I used. I really brought it for pictures, but I didn't even use it.
Put your underwear and take off your top. If you want to go nude, it's your prerogative. Any point you choose and a kilo.
Oh, okay.
No, same thing. Got it. Alright.
Touch me. I've been touching weights. Whoosh. Touch me. Take my watch off. I think my shirt started in a whole other situation. Like, the little old lady there. Are you alive? No, honestly. Can you imagine? Body found at a resort. Breaking news. Shower cap.
Cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight. You in love with being modest. You a inside your blood. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Swimming, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move, body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Think you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you new ain't pro. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
So I just got out of the spa. I'm gonna do a quick little shower, nothing too much, just to get that chlorine off of me. Let's see.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow.
There's something called 5 o'clock somewhere.
The drink?
What's in my area, boy?
Messy, wet up like a jet ski.